So, as I told you that in German, verb is changed according to the subject. So, we are going to learn verb conjugation. So, please read the disclaimer. And now we will continue. So, in German, verbs can be divided into two categories: regelmäßige Verben und unregelmäßige Verben. Regelmäßige means regular verbs, and unregelmäßige means irregular verb. So that means there are some rules that a verb has to follow. And what are the rules? Let's learn them. So here is a small table in which I am going to give you examples of both regelmäßige und irregelmäßige Verben. So the first verb leben or to live is the typical example of regelmäßige Verben. So you see there are two parts of the verb. For example, leb is a stem and en is a tail, and with each subject the tail changes. And in the same way, the verb heißen, sprechen, sein und haben, heißen means to be called, sprechen means to speak, sein means to be, and haben means to have. So these are irregular verbs, and with the highlighted alphabets you can see that how the verbs has changed. So now we will start with leben. So ich lebe, du lebst, sie es lebt, wir leben, ihr lebt, sie leben. So it's simple, and you can conjugate the verb in the same way. All the regular verb you can conjugate in the same way. Now we will talk about heißen. So it's ich heiße, du heißt, sie es heißt, wir heißen, ihr heißt, sie heißen. So I will tell you that basically it doesn't look like irregular to me, and it is a bit stupid. Like asset means double S, and if you add triple S, the spellings will sound weird. That's why they conjugated heiße like labor, only E is added, and instead of adding 3S they added only 2S, and it's heist, and then yes heist, wir heißen, ihr heißt, and sie heißen. So this is nothing so worrisome for you. Now we will talk about sprechen. Sprechen means to speak. So ich spreche, du sprichst. So you see, instead of in German A or English E, they added I here. So du sprichst, sie es spricht, wir sprechen, ihr sprecht, sie sprechen. And now comes the most important forms of verb that is mostly used, that is sein and haben. So let's take a look at sein, and you have to just remember it in that way. It's not that tough. So ich bin, du bist, sie es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. And in haben also it's very easy. Ich habe, du hast, sie es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. So that's all for today. And we can come over to this topic once again, because this cannot be covered in such small videos. So we will come and we will talk again about it. And till then I would like to request you that please join my Telegram and WhatsApp groups. The link is in description below. And bye bye.